Hello and welcome to another video for El Mesquinia. Today I want to do a special little tutorial on your SD cards. Have you ever had your SD card for your MacBook Pro and your Samsung not really get along? You put it in one and it doesn't work right. You put it in the other, it doesn't work right. It says unsupported Apple USB drive. This phone does not support Apple USB drive. What happens is they get corrupted. Apple and Samsung do not like each other. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get around that problem. So right here, I'm going to show you real quick what's going on. It says the disk you inserted was not readable by this computer. So I'd go down to my utilities, hit ignore. I'd go down to my desk utility. I would hit the Apple SD card and I would hit the erase or reformat. Go ahead and hit erase. Once it's done, hit done. And it popped back up in my corner. Alright, so once I ejected it and I'd put it back into my phone, I'd get onto my phone. Trying to do all this one-handed, so sometimes it's a little hard to. I'd go back down, and once I did it in the thing, now that I formatted it on my MacBook Pro, it's showing that it's unsupported on my Samsung. So to format, USB drive, you do the same thing again to the phone, hit done, and then it shows that it's good for your telephone, for your Samsung. So this was getting very, very frustrating because you sit there and you do this and you go back and forth, and those you're doing is formatting, formatting, formatting. And that's all you do the whole time. So once again, I unplugged it after I formatted it from that one. Went back into this one, plugged it back in, and bam. Once again, it's going to mess up. So, in this video, I am about to show you how to stop this from happening. So, do not go away.